started to feel like I was trapped in a giant plastic ball.
Chew my hat. Oh, all right. She paid, guys. Welcome to Obe TA. Happy Monday, November 21st. I think 22nd. November 22nd. Happy November 22nd. Let me turn this down really quick here. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Obe TA, where we do traditional technical analysis, scan the charts, scan the markets, try to find the mythical edge, right? Easier said than done sometimes, but I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. I think I'm gonna switch it back up again. I was doing like Monday through Thursday, and I don't know, man. 3 days just seems like too much time, especially in the crypto market. A lot happens. It's very volatile, especially now. So like the past 3 days have actually, there's been a lot going on. So I'll figure it out. I don't know. Still new at this, so we'll figure out a time frame though that makes it feel right. Okay, but yeah, man. Welcome to Obe TA. Hope you guys had a good Monday. Do start a little bit later on Mondays, but here we are. Okay, so you had your daily candle close about 2 hours ago. We're gonna kick it off with Bitcoin like we always do. So let's jump into it, shall we? All right, so yeah, I mean, looking at Bitcoin, this was your daily candle close. All right, November 22nd. That is today. All right, down 4.07% on the day. Not good, man. You needed to hold above that 58,390 level, right? You're getting your hopes up, right? On 19th and the 20th, it came back in. It even got above 59,618, which, remember, looking left were your points of resistance, all right? Major resistance from history. Needed to hold those levels. Those are the critical levels back here from February 21st and May 8th. All right, and as you can see by this green dot, before I even get there, you are currently below it. You were in it for 2 days and then dumped straight out. All right, so that's just not a good sign as far as Bitcoin strength goes. And if we're talking daily candle closes, you are below your recent swing low back here on the 18th and the 19th. So the argument for hidden bullish divergence on the daily is pretty much gone too. All right, you have a lower low with lower levels of negative momentum. Okay, you need that higher low on price in order to be hidden bullish divergence, okay? So just kind of nothing now at this point. We're currently at 56,924, all right, below 57,000, but really this green zone here is where you need to be above to be feeling good about Bitcoin, and you're not, and you don't have the divergence, so it's kind of Let me see. Maybe developing it slightly on the RSI here. Got a slight higher low, but that's weak, man. That's a weak argument, all right? So seemingly confirming 59,618 as resistance. So my next logical stop there would be 53,000, like we've been talking about. This shoulder back here from September 7th. Okay? How's everyone doing today, man? If you're in the chat, say what's up. Tell me how your Monday went. How was your weekend? I know football's on tonight. I forget who's playing, but I'm sure we'll check it out at some point when I get done here. But yeah, man, so no help really on the daily for Bitcoin. And in fact, you could draw. You got a nice little trend line going on here that you'll want to see Bitcoin break on the RSI before. That's just another indicator that you want to see to give you that boost to get back above those levels. But for right now, man, you just confirmed 59,618 as resistance for the first time since it did it back here in February 21st. Well, yeah, since it did it back here February 21st. And you got some candle action here as well, early May. But yeah, man, regarding as resistance again is not good. So we go ahead, take a look. Why did we like 53,000 so much? Well, it's got the shoulder here from September 7th, and it also lines up oh so nicely with the 50% retrace right here, okay? So that's really the ticket right there. 54,316 and 53,000 right in that little zone is where you want to look to see if Bitcoin can start to get its ish together and turn around, all right? Yo, Taylor, what's up? Always in here. Let me give you a spin real quick, as always.
Test your luck.
Let's see what we're dealing with tonight. See if Tay is a peasant or not. Oh, right in between both. Sucks. But it's okay. It's how it goes sometimes, all right? Coming again next time, get another spin, maybe get a good, whatever. All right, so again, no help on the daily. Let's take a look at the 4 hour here. Nothing really on the 4 hour either. Okay, so this little high right here is slightly above, and I'll go ahead, let me throw a horizontal line on it. It is slightly above the little swing low back here from November 19th, all right? So you've kind of got some Class B bullish divergence going on, so slightly higher low. Actually, no. It's a slightly higher low, so it's not even. So you don't even have divergence here on the 4 hour. Just a big sell-off here. This last 4 hour candle down about 3.8%, so just kind of getting some bids while it's down there. Nothing to get excited about, really. No help on the RSI either. Nope. Just because it's a slightly higher low, right? So even though you have a higher low on the RSI, not technically a divergence, okay? What you could call this is, you know, you've got the spring, right? And now it's back testing that spring, trying to hold it as support. That might be a good sign if you can get it, but the divergence isn't helping you out at all. So who knows if that'll happen, all right? The 1 hour actually does have some Class A going on. So you've got your lower low with your higher low seemingly on the MACD and the 4 hour. So maybe that will help out, the MACD and the RSI, maybe that'll help out the 4 hour as far as confirming this as support at 55,924 and pushing you back up into that zone. But again, there's really no help on the daily, so I don't really see a reversal anytime soon. But some interesting stuff going on there. Take a look at the weekly and see what's going on here. Yeah, so the weekly just, when you got, the last weekly candle close, which was Sunday, gave you a giant bearish engulfing candle here. All right, so as you'll notice, you typically don't get great follow-through price action to the upside after you get bearish engulfing candles like that, especially on the weekly. We look back here May 10th, right? You had a big sell-off after that. Broke the trend a little bit here with this one from February 22nd, but, April 12th had the sell-off. Bearish engulfing candle June 14th had the sell-off. September 6th had the continued sell-off, right? So you're only working on your second weekly candle here after the bearish engulfing one. I would expect to see it do something similar and move back down to those, back down that level. And by back down to that level, I mean that 53,000. All right. Cool. Nice. So keep an eye out for 53,000, man. That might be the spot to scoop some more up. That's where we'll want to look for some real signs of reversal, all right? Yeah, sorry, Tech. I mean, you've gotten got a few times, though, so you shouldn't be too upset. All right, cool. But yeah, so, I mean, that's Bitcoin, really. You're trying to hold, at this point, 55,924. But, yeah, you even had a little support there April 8th, so we'll see, all right? If you can confirm that, maybe you need to get some price action now. Maybe get a little bit of a more